performed Hajj a couple of times, but Umrah is different because Hajj is part and parcel of the pillars of Islam, but Umrah may not necessarily be a part and parcel of the pillars, but it is a very important sunnah because it is one thing you do and it helps your life generally here and hereafter. So Umrah more or less is a necessity for those who can afford to do it. And at any time we come, we finish with it, we feel like we are just born yesterday. Everything about us changed. We get this psychological upbringing that you feel you are just like a baby coming into the world fresh, sin on your head. So yes, so always feel that, and we believe, not only feel, we believe once we live after performing the Umrah, we are as pure as a young baby born yesterday or day before yesterday.
That's amazing. Know that. And one last question from this final question. Can you briefly describe as you're going to, when you go for Umrah, you're going to start at the miqat, right?
Yes.
Can you briefly go through the steps? We are going to go to the miqat.